Hello, Namaskarams. I am Kesav Murthy. This video is meant for students who are preparing for Neet, JEE, and PM Yasasvi competitive exams. What is common about all these three exams is that they are all multiple choice questions exams, and then for each question there will be four options, and one will be the correct answer. The second commonality is that they have negative marks. And third is they have a time constraint. Within a particular period of time, you have to answer 90 questions or 100 questions like that. Right. Now, the point I am trying to make here is that even an average student who scores 70 to 80% in their board exams can clear these exams successfully. It may be puzzling you how one can say an average student can clear these exams. It is quite possible because in a board exam you need to know the answers, then only you can write the answer. But in a competitive exam you need not know exactly the answer. The options are given. From the options, even if you have heard about that answer, or even if you have listened to while your teacher is teaching that particular concept, you may be in a position to answer these questions. So even an average student in board exams can clear these exams. So for which the students have to do two things. One is, if the entire syllabus, they have to be thorough in it. When I say thorough, not necessarily the way they write in their board exams. They should be thorough with all the concepts. So you can take two chapters at a time and then make sure that you are thorough with all the concepts. In case there is a gap, in case there is a particular concept which you are not understood, immediately you talk to your teachers or co-students and then clarify those things. Or you can look at some YouTube channels where they give interesting explanation about that particular concept. Don't carry forward that gap in your learning. That is the problem of most of the students. Most of the students are thorough with 90% of the syllabus. They are not thorough with that balanced 10%, because of which they lose these competitive exams. So you have to make yourself thorough by doing this gap analysis. The second is, you take past question papers of these exams and then try to solve those question papers. By doing that, you can find out the areas which is difficult, the areas where your concepts are not clear. So this is another tool to find the gap analysis. Once you identify gap analysis, you can relearn, again learn those things. The third is what is called error analysis. Even if you are very thorough with the units and chapters, still when you are writing these competitive exams, and if you compare your answer with the actual answers, you made some mistakes. So you identify what are the mistakes you have made. It could be due to that you have misunderstood the question. It could be due to some time constraint, you are in a hurry, so you made some mistakes. The third is maybe when you are writing some numbers from the question, you would have done it wrongly, or it could be some calculation mistakes. So identify the mistakes and accordingly, you be conscious about that particular mistakes, because of which your errors or mistakes will come down drastically. This is called error analysis. So if a student does both gap analysis and error analysis with the help of at least 3 to 4 past question papers, you will be in a position to get past these competitive exams with the flying colors. So even average students can do it, and you believe in you, and I believe in students who put this kind of effort. And I have seen in the past 15 years of my experience with these competitive exams, students who are 70 and 80% marks capable students, they have cleared these exams by doing this gap analysis and error analysis regularly in their studies. Hope it will be useful to you. So I thank all of you for listening to these videos. You can share this video with your co-students or co-teachers or co-parents. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you.